Hello guys, this is our microcontroller self-study project. So this is a robot. We have named it iWatt. So this is an open source robotic and IoT platform. So I'll tell you about the design first. So the entire robot is 3D printed except the wheels. Everything is 3D printed. Obviously the hands are not fully functional, but still they can hold objects. And then the robot head is complete one-piece design. So this is fitted on the panel tilt arrangement so that it can track objects on the XY frame. So the camera fitted onto this wall. Obviously the level is like very low, but still it's working fine. And then it has color changing eyes which changes color on the environmental lighting depending upon sensor. The sensor is programmed to change the colors on the different intensity of light. And then sides have a LED chaser circuit which in which the LEDs are chasing one another, so that gives the robot a very nice look. And then it is also fitted with a display. Currently it is displaying temperature, humidity and time and date, but then you can program it to display anything. For now it's displaying that. And it also fitted with an ultrasonic sensor, usually put for autonomous navigation, but for now it's just checking the presence of someone in front of the robot. If there is someone, it notifies the owner of the robot with an email on his Gmail. And then the robot is entirely powered by 12 volt 2 ampere power supply. We have a power supply board here, power supply board on the side. This is supplying power to the entire robot. So there is a 12 volt line and as well as 5 volts line. So 5 volt compatible devices have been powered using this thing. And then there is also a Wi-Fi module chip that is notifying the owner through the email, as well as the robot is also capable of changing the environmental lighting and the cooling by sending a communicating with a Automate Wi-Fi switch, and then the robot is has also a custom designed board that is doing all the processes on the robot. This is the custom designed board that is running on Arduino Nano, and the robot is running on Raspberry Pi. All the image processing and object tracking is done on this. So the robot is fitted with 6 servos. So two of them are on the hands, and then two of them for the wheels, that are the continuous rotation servos for the robot to move around. And the robot is also capable of introducing itself with the speaker fitted onto the Raspberry Pi. So if someone comes in front of it and the robot detects the presence, it introduces itself. By introducing itself, you can see it in the video.
Hello world. I'm iWatt. I was created by Brain Hackers. Nice to meet you. I am an open source robotics and IoT platform.
And then the robot's 3D design provides the hobbyist to add on many features onto the robot, and it has enough space to put in a number of hardwares here. And the robot head is full with lot of circuitries for now, as we didn't design any PCB, not much PCBs, only two PCBs. All others are wired, so hence the space, there is a lot of space inside the head also, so you can put in much more number of sensors or actuators onto the robot. So so to conclude, iBot is a open source robotic and IoT platform providing an robotic hobbyist and enthusiast excellent platform to work on, to try their algorithms and then different kinematic techniques to see them working in real time. So all the CAD files and the circuit schematic have been uploaded onto the Brain Hackers website. So anyone can log on to the website and download the CAD files and the circuit schematics and make another iBot for themselves. So That's all with the iPod. To see the iPod working, you can log on to the YouTube channel Hackers and see the working of the iPod. That's all with this video. Thank you for listening.